hold that up for me for a second? Smells good. Oh, I'm mudding, guys, I'm mudding. Oh, all them pavement princess comments. That's the most mud this car is gonna see all year. We can go mudding right now. Look and see what it looks like.
second round two, what did you do?
Tried to play the snowdrift. Not having the four-wheel drive hooked up.
What could we do here? Yeah, your tire's definitely just stuck through. Second round two.
You know what they say, probably shouldn't go play unless you got four-wheel drive. Definitely wasn't expecting to screw around.
It's definitely like
At least the snow is soft. Yeah, pack it down. Ah, dang it. Alright, I'm gonna try.
right there.
I don't know how many times I get stuck in like the dumbest places. Like dumbest. You know, the little kid comes out in me and thinks that I can screw around, and then I forget every time at the four-wheel drive, I can't engage it. Now I'll show you. I have center caps on here, which I have the lockouts behind that. So gotta fix that. But then we came in here and we built the center console last summer to hide some crap. We built this, and I forgot to finish cutting this, and then this is actually
In the way.
in the way. So that's why we end up in situations like we are.
Kind of hot here.
Oh yeah, she was smoking. She was smoking, but hey, we got out. I mean, my tires probably hate me right now.